Hi everybody, my name is Jen DeRasp. I wanted to share with you a practice that I really enjoy and helps me to feel more balanced and enlivened and energized. Qi Gong, which is a form of energy work through repetitive movements, deep breathing, stretching, relaxing. We begin by standing in Wu Qi, hands stacked over the belly, the lower dantian, practicing belly breathing for a few breaths to arrive. Root yourself down while you stand tall, stand relaxed and energized. Using the nose to inhale, exhale either through the mouth or the nose. This ancient Chinese practice, this healing art, brings life force energy through every cell of our being to help us feel more enlivened, healthy, and balanced. A nice morning warm-up or evening practice to end your day is knocking on the door of life, turning at the hips and waist, allowing the forearms to gently strike the belly and the back, above the sacrum and below the ribs, stimulating the kidneys and the adrenals to release stored qi held in the kidneys. Have the knees be soft. Rotate. Bring your gaze behind you. Let the arms be empty. Keep the breath flowing. Feel your root at the same time as feeling an expansiveness through the crown of your head. This releases stored energies in all our organs and wakes up our spine. And bring a cupped hand to the lungs. It's great for our immune system. The lungs house our inspiration, our courage, and our confidence. Soft knees rotating throughout the spine. Now a cupped hand on the trapezius muscle, often a site of tension and tightness. Let the momentum move the arms, not the muscles in the arms. Let the flow move you gently and easily. This helps to transform tension into vitality and free movement. And down to the lungs again. Into the belly. And on a long exhale, slowly come to stillness. And bring your attention inward to your energy field, to your breath, to how you're feeling. Deep, relaxed breath. Reducing tension through conscious breathing, through getting still, through moving our energy, through rooting down. Let's activate the energy in our meridians and our extremities by tapping along the meridian channels in the direction that energy flows. Down one arm, down the inside of one arm, tapping and knocking gently right through the hand, and then back. This begins to circulate energy, reducing blocks and stagnation, which eventually causes pain. Getting the energy to circulate with your concentration, with your movement, and with your breath. And over the heart, take a nice exhale through the mouth, releasing any cloudy emotion held in the heart. And then down the other arm, moving this bioelectricity throughout every cell in the yin and yang meridians of the arms. And relax and take a breath. The kidneys, tapping on the kidneys releases stored energy there. At your own pace and your own way, knocking on the kidneys and the adrenal glands that sit on them unleashes our potential for feeling revitalized and well. activating our battery banks, the kidneys. And then we open up the leg meridians down the outside and up the inside, starting to circulate Qi throughout the system. Knocking on the leg gates, bend and straighten. Powerful points here. Releasing energy, circulating, healing potential. And take a few breaths and notice. Notice how you feel, what you're sensing, the quality of your breathing. Another great warm-up exercise is spinal cord breathing. As you bring your elbows up, you bring your tail out, and you gently look up. Have a softness about you. Exhale and round, bring your elbows towards your belly. Inhale, expanding and opening. Exhaling and rounding, moving in a range that works for you, circulating Qi up and down the spine, up the back of the spine, down the front of the spine, stimulating this 24-story building. Feeding our central nervous system, coming into rest and digest mode, stimulating parasympathetic nervous system, coming into more of a relaxed mental state, changing brainwave patterns, bathing our brain and spinal cord with cerebrospinal fluid. It's like a movement meditation. So as you inhale, your tail goes out. As you exhale, you round your back. The ankles and knees and hips stay pretty steady. You're moving the whole length of your spine to your crown, tail to crown, and your shoulders. Opening and rounding. And relax. Notice how you feel. Tapping on your navel center area, activating the organs to do their job, cleanse your blood, extract Qi from the food that you eat. Keep the breath flowing. Rest your hands over your belly. Take a breath. And hugging your elbows behind you. Bend your knees. Drop your tailbone. Open the chest so you're not slouched at all, standing tall. Bring your ear down to your shoulder and breathe. Letting the shoulders be parallel to each other and the earth. Just feel any tension in the neck and shoulder. Noticing that, breathing into that. Bring your chin across your chest a few times, back and forth. And then switch sides. Bring the opposite ear to the opposite shoulder. Take a few breaths. Anytime you feel tension, tightness, or pain, it's a block in your Qi and the flow of energy. It leads to disease. So we open the blocks through gentle stretching, through flowing movements, through deep breathing. And relax. And to wrap up the practice, one hand below the lower dantian. Inhale your other arm up. This is called centering, connecting both hemispheres of the mind, connecting the three treasures, the mind with the heart, with the organ system. Switching sides. Inhale up. Exhale down. Alignment of the chakra system. The key points up and down the microcosmic orbit. The three treasures. Connecting mental well-being with emotional well-being and physical well-being. Stack both palms, rest them over your lower treasure. Bring the feet together, bend the knees slightly, descend the tailbone, stand tall. Close the eyes if you're comfortable. And close the practice with bamboo in the wind, a way to center and anchor, a way to notice and allow. Standing meditation for as long as you're comfortable. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.